Hello, electrical engineers. Welcome to my channel. I'm Mr. Mahesh from Pune, a passionate electrical engineer with over 21 years of experience. My goal is to simplify complex electrical concepts and make learning fun. Whether you're a student or a professional, you're in the right place. Join me as we explore the latest technologies, spark your curiosity, and illuminate your understanding of electrical engineering. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on my latest new uploaded videos. Dear engineers, today we'll learn transformers and their vector diagrams, also known as phasor diagrams, illustrate the phase relationships between primary and secondary windings, highlighting their configuration and connections. Here's a list of common types of transformers along with their vector diagrams.
Delta-Delta, Delta-Delta, transformer.
The Delta-Delta transformer, often referred to as the Delta-Delta transformer, has both primary and secondary windings connected in a delta configuration. In this setup, the primary and secondary line voltages are 120 degrees out of phase with each other. There is no phase shift between the primary and secondary windings. This configuration is typically used in industrial applications where balanced loads are common.
Delta-Wye, Delta-Wye, transformer.
Next, we have the Delta-Wye transformer, or the Delta-Wye transformer, where the primary winding is in a delta configuration and the secondary winding is in a Y or star configuration. This arrangement introduces a phase shift of either positive 30 degrees or negative 30 degrees between the primary and secondary sides. This type of transformer is commonly used for stepping up or stepping down voltages in distribution systems.
Wye-Delta, Wye-Delta, transformer.
The Wye-Delta transformer, or the Wye-Delta transformer, features a primary winding in a Y configuration and a secondary winding in a delta configuration. Similar to the Delta-Wye transformer, it introduces a phase shift of either negative 30 degrees or positive 30 degrees between the primary and secondary windings. This type of transformer is often used for motor loads and in heavy industrial applications.
Wye-Wye, Y-Y, transformer.
In a Wye-Wye transformer, or Wye-Wye transformer, both the primary and secondary windings are connected in a Y or star configuration. There is no phase shift between the primary and secondary windings in this arrangement. It requires a neutral wire and is commonly used in transmission systems.
Delta-Z, Delta-Z, transformer.
The delta zigzag transformer, or Delta-Z transformer, has its primary winding in a delta configuration and the secondary winding in a zigzag configuration. The zigzag configuration provides a neutral point and helps in suppressing harmonics. This type of transformer is often used for grounding and for mitigating harmonics.
Wye-Zigzag, YZ, transformer.
In the Y-zigzag transformer, or YZ transformer, the primary winding is in a Y configuration, while the secondary winding is in a zigzag configuration. This configuration provides a phase shift and a neutral for grounding purposes. It is ideal for reducing neutral current and for harmonic suppression.
Open delta, VV, transformer.
An open delta transformer, often referred to as a VV transformer, uses only two transformers to provide a three-phase supply with a delta Dear electrical engineers, this channel is for you. If you're a student or professional looking to improve your electrical skills, all engineers will receive notifications for new videos. The first thing you should do is click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.